Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, the 7.0-inch LCD. Model number is SM-T113 or T110. They both use the same LCD display. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Got a customer brought their Tab 3. Guess their kid dropped it. So I'm ordering this to replace it for him. So let's go ahead and cut it open. Let's see. So they come with this anti-static bag. Touch the metal first. Wow, nice screen. Okay. There's a plastic protective right here. This is for you to peel off. And then there's a double-sided, I guess it's supposed to come with double-sided tape to tape it on the back right here. Okay. And there's your ribbon cable. Anyway, I will be doing a tutorial on how to repair the LCD. The digitizer is working fine, but the LCD is cracked. So I'll be doing that video coming out soon. Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.